Good afternoon student. Today we are going to take the exercise 13.3 question number 5. What length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter? Assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. Now we have to make a conical tent. For that we require the curved surface area and the formula is pi r L. So we need L. L is not given in the question. Now this is 8 meter height. So H is 8 meter and the base radius is 6 meter. So the radius r is equals to 6 meter. So first let us calculate L, that is the slant height of the cone. That is, the formula is h square plus r square under root of h square plus r square. Let us solve this. This is 8 square plus 6 square. 8 square plus 6 square. That is 8 square is 64. 6 square is 36. 64 plus 36 is 100. So and the square root of 100 is 10. So the slant height is 10 meter. Now in this question it is given that we have area of tarpaulin we will require. This, let's say this is a tarpaulin cloth in the shape of rectangle, and from this we are making a conical tent. That means the area of this rectangle will be equal to the curved surface area of this conical tent. So let us take the area of tarpaulin will be equals to curved surface area of conical tent, The area of tarpaulin, since it is of the form of rectangle, that will be L into B, and curved surface area is given by pi r L. Length we have to calculate. The breadth is given, that is 3 meter. So that is 3 is equals to pi. The value of pi we are using here is 3.14 into r. Radius is 6 meter. Slant height we have calculated, that is 10 meter. So we will find the length. L is equals to 3.14 into 6 into 10 divided by 3. This will cancel this. 2. So 3.14 into 2 into 10 is 62.8 meter. Now in this question one more thing is given, that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching margin and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. While we are making the tent, we have to cut, so certain wastage will be there, and also in stitching also we require certain length. So we have to add that portion also. That is, we have to add 20 centimeter, and if you convert 20 centimeter in meter, that will become 0.2 meter. So length of tarpaulin required will be equals to, that is 62.8 that we need, plus wastage and stitching margin, that is approximately 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter is 0.2 meter. 0.2 meter. We'll add this 2 and we'll get 63 meter. So total length of tarpaulin that will be required to make the conical tent is 63 meter. Now let us solve the question number 6 of exercise number 13.3. The slant height and base diameter of a conical tent are 25 meter and 40 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface area at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. Now let us see what is given in the question. The slant height is 25 meter and base diameter is 14 meter. So the radius will be equals to 14 upon 2, that is 7 meter. And we have to find the cost of whitewashing curved surface area. So first we'll find the curved surface area. curved surface area of conical dome, and that is, we know the formula, that is pi r L. Pi is 22/7 into r is 7 meter, L is 25. So let us solve this. This will cancel. 22 into 25 is 550 meter square. Now we have to find the cost of whitewashing. In the question it is given that cost of whitewashing 100 meters square. 100 meters square is rupees 210. So cost of whitewashing 1 meter square will be rupees 210 upon 100, and we have to find the cost of whitewashing 550 meters square. So cost of whitewashing 550 meters square will be equals to rupees 210 upon 100 into 550. The 0 will cancel this. So 21 into 55, and that will be equals to rupees 1155. So 1155 rupees will be required to whitewash the curved surface area at the rate of 210 per 100 meters square. Now let us solve the question number 7. A joker's cap is in the form of right circular cone of base radius 7 cm and height 24 cm. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. You might have seen the joker cap. It is in the form of cone. Okay. So in the question it is given radius is 7 cm, r is 7 cm, height is 24 cm, and first we have to find the area of sheet required to make it 10 such caps. In this we have to find the curved surface area of this. For the curved surface area we require slant height, which is denoted by L, and the formula for finding the slant height is s square plus r square under root of s square plus r square, that is 24 square plus 7 square. 24 square is 576 plus 7 square is 49, that is equals to 625, and if we solve this we will get 25 centimeter. So slant height of the cone is 25 centimeter. Now we will find the curved surface area. Curved surface area of conical cap, and that the formula is pi r L, that is 22/7. R is 7 cm into slant height we have calculated, that is 25 cm. So this will cancel. So this will become 550 centimeter square. This is the curved surface area of conical cap. That is 550 centimeter square. And how many caps we have to make? 10 such caps. So we have to find the area of sheet required. Area of sheet required will be equals to 10 into curved surface area of conical cap. And we have calculated the curved surface area of conical cap, and that is 550 centimeter square. So 10 into 550, that will make it 5500 centimeter square. Therefore the area of sheet required for making 10 conical cap is 5500 centimeter square. Let's solve the question number 8 of exercise 13.3. A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter of 40 cm and height 1 meter. If the outer side of each of the cone is to be painted and cost of painting is rupees 12 per meter square, what will be the cost of painting all these cones? Now you might have sometimes seen that the hollow cones are used for barricading. These type of hollow cones are used for barricading. So in this we have to find how much is the cost of painting all these cones. There are 50 cones here. So first let us see what is given in the question. First we will take radius. That is, diameter is 40 centimeters. So the radius will become 40 upon 2 centimeter. That is 20 centimeter. And if you convert in meter, then it becomes 20 upon 100 meter, that is 0.2 meter, and height is given, and height is 1 meter. Now we have to find the curved surface area, and the formula for curved surface area is pi r L. L means slant height. Slant height is not given in the question. First we have to find slant height. That is given by the formula L is equals to s square plus r square. H is given in the question, that is 1. So the square of 1 plus, and r is 0.2 square. So that will be equals to, square of 1 is 1 and the square of 0.2 is 0.04. When we'll add this, we'll get 1.04, and in the question it is given that the square root of 1.04 is 1.02. So that will be, so slant height will be equals to 1.02. Now first we have to find the curved surface area of the cone. So we know the curved surface area of cone, that is given by the formula pi r L. Pi is, it is given, we have to use 3.14 into r, that is 0.2 meter, into L, that we have calculated 1.02. So when we will multiply this, we will get the area which is equals to 0.64056 meter square. Now how many hollow cones are there? 50 hollow cones. So area to be painted will be equals to 50 into curved surface area of cone. So 50 we have to multiply, because there are 50 cones of these type. So the curved surface area of one cone is 0.64056 meter square. So we'll multiply this by 50. So we'll get 50 into 0.64056 meter square. So we'll multiply this, we'll get the answer 32.028 meter square. So that means 32.028 meter square area has to be painted. Now we'll find the cost of painting. So cost of painting, how many meter square? 32.028 meter square area we have to paint, and the cost of painting 1 meter square is rupees 12. So we'll multiply this by rupees 12. So 12 into 32.028 meter square. So we'll multiply this. When we'll multiply this, we'll get the answer 384.336, and that will be approx equals to 384.34. So the total rupees which is required is 384.34 rupees are required to paint all the 50 cones.